So how we are going to install it? Simply open your Google Chrome and click on extensions, which is available here. You can see it is showing here. Click here, and once you click here, go to the manage extension, click on manage extensions. Once you click on manage extension, first of all you have to enable the developer mode. This is a developer mode. By default it is always off, so you have to enable this. Once you have enabled, you can upload the folder which you have downloaded right now. So we will move to the locations which we have. So this is the location of Google Map Extractor. Just check the folder, everything is available here, every the files are available here. So the whole folder, this whole folder has to be uploaded in the extension. So simply drag the folder and leave and release on the extension page. So it is showing here drop to install. Simply drop it means leave it. So once you drop, you will see the extractor is already installed. So again move back to the extension button and make it pin. Click on this button, then click on pin. Once you click on pin, it will be visible in this section. Here it is showing. So how we can now extract the data? Now you can extract data from Google in free of cost. You can extract the data from the Google Maps and you can download in the Excel file. Simply click on this button. Once you click here, it will show you start extracting. So just simply click here. So it will open the Google Map and you can see the maps which are available here. Simply you have to just open the Google Map and search for anything. You can search, example I'm searching about travel agency in Patna. So once I write travel agent in Patna, sorry, it's travel agency in Patna, and I enter, so it will show me the locations. These are the locations which are in Patna, which are available. Jagat Trade Center. So all this data will be saved in the Google format, Google software. So to cross check, simply click on extension again. This extension, you can see 40 leads are here. So these are the 40 numbers which has been displayed here are saved in this one. So as long as you keep on scrolling, the data will increase automatically. It is 40, it will increase to 60. So in this way you can extract more data, and more data will come in the software, and you can extract this software data in the Excel sheet as well. So we are just scrolling down. If you move the page, if you move this location also, the data will also get refreshed automatically. Means I just move this location from different locations, click on the map and move to different location. So see the left side data are getting refreshed every movement. So these data are automatically saved in software. So this is the maps down. Now it is 180. Now once you have saved, once you are finished, once you are done, simply click on scrap now. Once you click on scrap now, you will see the button download as CSV. Click on download and the file will come to your system. You can save on the system and you can open the file as when you need. So simply click on Google Map Excel file which has been downloaded in my system, and now I can see the data. So this is the best way to generate the leads in the free of cost, and you can promote to any customers with the help of WhatsApp marketing. So we do have our WhatsApp marketing software which you can see in a different video, and you can do the WhatsApp marketing very easily. Even you can do in free as well. So this option, this WhatsApp marketing is not the official API one, but still you can try and use it. So these are the data. You can do calling, you can do WhatsApp marketing, you can do SMS marketing. Whatever you want to do, you can do in an easy way. If you have any problem in this lesson, in this topic, so simply you can raise a ticket to our support team. They will be the persons who will be helping you and they will be guiding you how you can do that. Thank you.